myself Yakshita. I am from Team 2 Group 1. Our project name is Barging Hunter. Today I am going to explain you how we deployed our project in AWS using Jenkins pipelines. So first of all, we create an AWS account, and inside the AWS we have a EC2 dashboard, and we create an instances. So we create three instances: one for development, second is for testing, and third is for quality QA testing. So right now I am going to explain you the development state. So for a development state, here you can see it's running, and so they have some public IDs and all, elastic IDs and all. So for public, we use the public ID, and based on that we can communicate with the each other. uh, the second thing is what we are using Ubuntu, and first of all I just locally call the connect the EC2 with my local machine. So I used the same IP, and connect both together. After connection, uh, I push my code. So this is my code that I pushed in a Git repository. So here you can see my Git repository, and inside my Git repository I create a branch that name is homepage version 0. So we push all these codes, updated codes, in this branch, and then inside in a Jenkins, first of all I install some dependencies that I need. So I am using Java and Git, and so I am using Git. So I first of all I use the Git dependencies, and then for Java I used Maven, and for React I use Node.js. So first I install all these dependencies in my Jenkins, and after that I create an Barging Hunter pipeline to test the pipeline. So inside this Barging Hunter pipeline I write write a script. So this is my pipeline script. So first of all, for a development details, I am using EC2. So this is my host name that I already show you, right? So this is where I am getting. So this is my host name, and then I am using Ubuntu, and this is the path and all. Then this is for my Git, where so I am pulling this branch homepage v0, and this is my URL of the Git. And for building React, I used some dependencies. I first of all I install these dependencies and all. Then I have a test script and deployed script. um, After that, when I after this script, uh, when I build, so you can see the after building, after successfully uh, done the pipeline. So you can see, so in my code I have 18 changes that I made, and I push in my Git repository. So showing me that so which things I did. So I removed unused code. I add a style and functionality to add post ads, and add a styles and functionality for uh, payments and all the stuffs. Uh, so and the second thing is that my okay, so it's all, and then I add, so this is my home page, so that I created using React. and on a back end I am using Java. So I am using the uh, this URL. So I also add this URL in my Jenkins.